Hi gorgeous, I'm Cassidy. I'm so happy that you're here to work your legs with me. I need some inspiration today. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. In my 20 plus years of teaching Pilates, this is one of my go-to for beginners. Let's get to it. You're gonna start in a nice wide stance, about 10 degrees turned out. Your feet will be wider than your shoulders, and you wanna have your legs, you're gonna be going into a squat. If you feel preoccupied about your balance, you can go ahead and use a tool to help with your balance. That's absolutely fine. It could look something like this. Personally, I like to just hold my hands in front of me, but you're welcome to do what you'd like with your arms. So you're gonna go into a nice squat, however deep feels right and safe for you. And from here, you're just gonna hold it for as long as you can. Feel like you're really anchoring down into both feet evenly. Feel like you're trying to open your knees over your feet. You're really gonna feel the outer thigh and glutes working, and then push down into your heels to come back up to standing. Whew. You should have felt your legs working, that's for sure. Are you ready to try that again? You're gonna go into a squat, however deep is right for you. Open your knees over your middle toes, feeling your outer thigh and booty working. Of course, you're breathing and engaging in your abs. And when you're ready to stand up, you push down into your heels so that you activate your glutes. In standing position, you want to feel your glutes on. Whew, got that heat going. You ready to do that one more time with me? Going into the squat as deep as you can, honor where your body's at. Feel like you're standing on both feet evenly. Feeling the outer thighs, the glutes, the quads, the belly, pushing down into your heels to stand up. Excellent. From there, you're gonna go into a variation. So you're gonna go into a deep squat, and at the bottom of the squat, you're just gonna add little pulses. Really pushing down into your heels. Feeling your glutes helping you. Stand back up when you need to rest. That's absolutely fine. And then go back down into it when you're ready. Adding in the little pulses. Using your breath, navel to spine, pushing down into your heels. Resting when you need to. Can you do one more set with me? Going down, adding in the little pulses. Trying to stay as upright in your body as you can, really feeling the legs and the glutes, pushing down into your heels, standing up when you need to. Nicely done. From there, you're gonna stretch out your quads using your tool if you'd like to help you balance. Bring one leg up, check to see that your knees are together. Lengthen the spine, engage the abs, try to pull your heel toward your booty. You're gonna feel that stretch in your quads, in the front of your hip. Very good. So good to stretch out the legs after working them in that squat. Remember to breathe. Excellent, and then we'll switch sides. All right, bringing that leg up, checking to see that your knees are together. Lengthening your spine, engaging your abs, opening up your hip, feeling that stretch going down the front of your thigh. Should be a good stretch. Breathing. Just savoring that stretch. Excellent, nicely done. All right, you did it. Give yourself some props. That was a tough exercise. You did good today. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. If you have any questions or you're looking for modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help you. So FYI, this is just one piece of the bigger picture. You can access the full version of this Pilates series in the description below. You may find it very satisfying to do the whole routine, or you can benefit from doing the exercises you haven't done yet. They'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.